Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series video. This is the third part of the video. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to do the UV unwrapping. Before unwrapping, let's apply the shrink wrap modifier. Now let's go to UV editing section and hide the high poly model. To do the unwrapping, first we need to select the edge loop. I will select the edge around the end of the root. Then I will mark the seam by pressing Ctrl+E and select Mark Seam. Now let's do the same thing to the other roots. For the branch, I will select the end edge loop of the branch and mark seam. I will also mark seam the tip of the branch's edge loop, and select the edges from bottom of the branch and mark seam. Do the same to all the branches and roots. Now let's add a mark seam to bottom of the tree. To do that, select all the edges of the bottom of the tree which connects with the roots and mark seam. I will also mark seam the top of the tree trunk, and I will add mark seam alongside of the tree. Now let's select all the face of the tree and press U. After that, click on Unwrap. Now we have unwrapped the tree. To see whether we have stretch or not, go to Overlay and check on Display Stretch. If it appears all blue means it do not have any stretch, and if it appears green or red means it is stretch. To reduce the stretch, we will mark seam where stretch appears in the UV and re-unwrap it. Now we will rearrange the UV islands with proper spacing between each islands. Now we have done with the UV unwrapping of the tree. And in the next video, we will do the baking of the tree. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe the channel for future tutorial videos.